If your export failed in Descript, yeah, that can be super frustrating, especially after finishing your project. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step fix. First, check your internet connection, because Descript uses cloud processing for exporting. Next, close and reopen Descript. Yeah, a quick restart can fix temporary export glitches. Now check your export settings. Make sure your format, resolution, and file name are set correctly. Close unnecessary apps. Heavy projects need enough memory and CPU to export properly. Make sure you're using the latest version of Descript. Updates often fix export bugs. If it still fails, try exporting a smaller section of your project. Yeah, this helps identify if a specific part is causing the issue. And that's it. These steps should fix most export failures in Descript. If this helped, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.